How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 massage mechanism fabric cover. You will need a paper clip to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. Lift the front of the backrest pad, then unzip the inner zipper. Unzip the top of the backrest pad from the chair. Starting near the seat, unzip the upper left side of the backrest pad. Unzip the upper right side of the backrest pad. Unzip the lower right side of the backrest pad. Unzip the lower left side of the backrest pad. Lift the front of the backrest pad, then use a paper clip to unzip the lower half of the massage mechanism fabric cover. Tip the top of the backrest pad forward, use a paper clip to unzip the upper half of the fabric cover, then remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Using a paper clip, zip the top half of the new fabric cover to the chair. Raise the backrest pad into position, tip up the front of the pad, then use a paper clip to zip the lower half of the fabric cover to the chair. Zip the lower left side of the backrest pad to the chair. Zip the lower right side of the backrest pad to the chair. Close the inner front zipper, then zip the front of the backrest pad to the foot and calf massager upholstery. Zip each upper side of the backrest pad to the chair. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.